Face rollers are designed to be gentle on your skin while stimulating your lymphatic system and helping reduce puffiness and tension. Start by applying the face massage serum to provide a smooth surface for the roller to glide over. Take the larger end of the roller and begin by applying gentle pressure on your chest area, starting from the center and moving outward toward the shoulders. This motion helps to release tension in the chest and shoulders, improve circulation, and promote relaxation, setting the stage for a rejuvenating massage. Next, glide the face roller along your neck, from your jawline toward the base of your neck. Use the larger end of the roller for broad strokes, applying gentle pressure to stimulate lymphatic drainage and reduce puffiness. Start near the jawline, gently rolling the tool in upward motions towards the ear. Next, move to the area from the nose to the ear, gliding the roller outward to reduce puffiness and enhance circulation. Finally, use the roller on the cheeks to encourage lymphatic drainage and give the skin a lifted, refreshed look. For the delicate under eye area, use the smaller end of the roller to gently massage from the inner corner of the eye towards the temples. Apply minimal pressure to avoid tugging on the skin. Hold the face roller with the smaller end and glide it along the brow bone in upward strokes. Apply gentle pressure. Finish by rolling the face roller across your forehead, starting from the center and moving towards the hairline. Repeat that on both sides using light pressure to stimulate blood flow in the forehead muscles. Plantifique, your choice for face massage tools.